मान्य है, चले आगे?
ज़रूर, और जल्दी करनी है क्योंकि जो अब नेक्स्ट आ रही हैं ये हमें मार देंगी अगर हमने इन्हें जल्दी नहीं बुलाया, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही खास है। ये ऑथर है बट इन्हें क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद है, तो ये मैच के लिए लेट ना हो तो इन्हें फटाफट बुलाते हैं। शी इज़ मिस योआना गुप्ता एंड ये हमें बताएंगी बीइंग एन इंट्रोवर्ट इज़ अ सुपर पावर। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक आई मस्ट से। प्लीज़ गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर योआना।
Hi everyone. Thank you for being here today. I know what you might be thinking. You all must believe that before you stands a shy, hesitant, a little meek girl, perhaps plagued by stage fright and itching to get over with the speech as fast as possible. Well, you are right. I'm often labeled as an introvert, but I don't see that as a weakness. In fact, I view it as a strength. How many of you have ever been called boring just because you didn't talk much? Raise your hands, please. I remember countless times friends joked about my introversion saying, "Hey, don't talk to us. You are too boring." If even you have experienced this, you are not alone. 62% of the people worldwide are not conversation starters or participators. But let's see the flip side to it. When someone has to share their deep secrets or confidential matters, don't you think introverts are the best secret? It's a strength, not a weakness, that we are the most confidential people and can keep up the trust and faith for years to come. We are often labeled as antisocial. However, people like me are selectively social. Telling an introvert to socialize is like asking Joey from Friends to stay away from food. We all know Joey loves his food, just like we introverts loves our quiet time. But there's something else we avoid. Just like vegetarians avoid meat, we avoid meetings. But that doesn't make us less friendly. By the way, I've often been served as the best friend who can listen to countless emotional stories without having the urge to interrupt. In fact, we all look out for that one friend who could just simply absorb our emotional burst, don't we? Isn't being an introvert a strength rather than a weakness? People like me have expertise in examining things deeply in our own mind. Do you know that Albert Einstein, the world-renowned physicist, too was an introvert? One of his famous quotes is, "The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind." Think about it as a superpower. The more thoughtfulness we give to each decision, fewer mistakes we make. Isn't it a strength to boast about? As introverts, we may not be the best speakers, but we are undoubtedly the best listeners, the best contributors, and the best confidants. People often assume that introverts are naturally shy and underconfident, while extroverts are inherently confident. This is a big misunderstanding. Confidence is not determined by whether you are an introvert or an extrovert. Both introverts and extroverts can be confident and underconfident. It's time we remove these misconceptions from our head. I still see some confused heads here. Allow me to clear the cloud of uncertainty from your minds by taking an example from nature that shows that being an introvert is really a superpower. Just give me a second. Have you ever noticed how much sound a parrot makes as compared to what an eagle makes? A parrot talks way too much, but it can't fly very high. On the contrary, an eagle is silent, but it has the potential to touch the sky. Did you know that eagle is considered to be one of the most confident birds and at the same time, one of the most? This is the power of silence. This example from nature perfectly aligns with Christian Dior's quote. If you take nature as an example, you can never really go wrong. Finally, for those of you who are introverts and afraid to admit, I'll just leave you with a list of famous ones. Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, Elon Musk, J.K. Rowling, and the list goes on and on. The hallmark of an introvert is not awkwardness, but focus. Not shyness, but reservedness. Not loneliness, but the courage to face solitude. So the next time someone tells you, "What? Hey, I'll never talk to you again," think twice. That might just be their favorite line. Embrace the gifts you're born with. It's not a weakness, but a unique strength. Thank you.